Oh, hey there. Didn't see ya. Welcome to Amateur Hour. I'm Bree, and I've got Jordan with me today.
That's me.
And we're making a little spin on a whiskey smash. We're making a Navy smash with our new Navy Strength.
Yeah.
It's really, really good. And normally I like sweet alcohol. And this doesn't have anything added to it, but it's just very naturally sweet. And I think it's one of the best rums we've made.
It's the best rum we've made.
Yeah.
And it's funny, it's just the Queen Charlotte Reserve, just a higher proof.
It's so
amazing.
good. And it'll get you drunk faster because it's 55%. Yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to take some lime.
I believe that's a lemon.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to take our lemon and we're going to make it into lemon wedges because we're going to squeeze and drop them into the glass and muddle it. I need you to pick out some good mint leaves.
Okay.
We're going to use about like 6 to 8 per drink.
Okay.
It's a really juicy lemon.
That's what you wanted, right? Mm-hmm. That's the whole point.
And when I'm cutting up the lemon, I'm gonna use lemon to garnish. So I'm just making like 2 extra wedges, but you only need a wedge per drink to like muddle it in. So you just like literally use half of a lemon. So you're gonna squeeze it.
Guys, mint smells so good.
You got a seed in yours.
Now I'm gonna die. Her playing the whole time.
And drop that. Can you give the mint a good slap? To express the oils.
Ah, yes. Must express all of this oil. You think it's expressed?
Yeah.
Okay. 1.
Perfect.
Your turn for some expression.
Nice.
Heck yeah.
You're gonna muddle it up. It's kind of like a mojito.
Yeah. It is a lot like mojito.
And I love mojitos.
I really love our basil mojitos. But all mojitos really so refreshing. Springtime drink.
I agree. All right, so then you're going to take your simple syrup and add it to the glass. I just picked it up at Walmart. You can make it yourself, though. It's super easy. Yeah. Just sugar and water. It says an ounce, but I'm just gonna, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I put less in yours.
You're pretty sweet.
I put less in yours. I like mine sweet. All right, so then you're going to take your Navy Strength and you're gonna do 2 ounces into each glass.
Cannot wait for this. It smells so good.
No splashes. And then you're just gonna add your ice on top. And we're gonna give it a little stir. I'm gonna start with my knife.
There's a spoon. We just used it. Amateur.
With your little spoon, make sure you get the stuff all mixed up. All right, that should be good enough. And then you're going to garnish it with a little lemon wedge. Put it on the glass. Look at that.
That's a nice looking drink.
So here you go.
Okay. Thank you. No, I'm just admiring it. It looks
You're
good.
just admiring it?
Yeah, yeah, let's drink.
You were judging me.
Thank it.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I like it.
Yeah, no, mine's solid. That mint is actually coming through pretty strong. I'm surprised.
I really like it. You can top it off with like soda water, but I don't want to put anything else in there to really mess with the Navy Strength because I just want it to really shine through. So keeping it simple. I think it's a really good summer drink.
Yeah. It's tangy. The lemon's good and tangy.
I can feel it warming my soul.
Well, the Navy Strength at 110 proof, it's gonna warm you up a little bit.
Really, really tasty. You can come and check it out at the distillery. Come and get that Navy Strength. It's only at Muddy River Distillery. If you want to get your hands on it, definitely come see us. And we do like tours and tastings and stuff like that on the weekends and throughout the week. So
yeah, and check out our other playlists. Always check out the Inebriated series, and we'll do a lot more stuff, moving us from the mill to. From the still to the mill soon, so you can definitely check those out, those YouTube videos out, and then just follow us on social media, all the good stuff. Check out this recipe below if you're interested in making it. Very simple.
Very simple.
Obviously.
Everyday ingredients you kind of normally have at home.
Yep, everyday ingredients. Cool.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks.